Hi, my name is Tanner Liu, and I'm here to do the homework 5 problem 2 for the probability homework. For the first one, the clue already gave us the graph, and it's not hard to understand why it turns out like this. Because for this one, we will have the x with y 1/y and x equals to y, which is two domain for the x, and for this one we will have the domain of y larger than 1. Thus we can get this graph like this, and for this graph we can use it in the next several problems for this one. So for the first one, we need to find the fxy so that the find the a so that which satisfy the fxy can be its joint density function. And so now what we will do here is to uh, integral it out one by one using the range we already have. So like the crew said, we'll do like this way. Oh wait, sorry. 1 y/1 a x dy. And write out this formula, we can have this one. And to find out, we will have right because the integral of the y/x is log x, so we will have this one apply the range from y 1/y to y, and it turns out to be the log y minus y, which is turns out to be the negative log y. So it will transfer into a 1/a multiplied by y squared multiplied by 2 log y. So now bring the a out and the 2 out. We'll have the integral like this. Right? So by the pre-calculation of the integral calculator, we will have this one. And this turns out to be 1. Since we need to find the valid joint density function, so this formula should equals to 1. So we will have 2/a equals to 1. So we will have a equals to 2. Right? So that's it for the way we have to find out the a. For next one, the problem asks us to find and draw the marginal density function for fx and fy. So for the first one, we need to find the fx, which is like this, xy dy, right? For the fx, we need to separate into two range. First one is x from 0 to 1, and second one is from 1 to infinity. So we will have it like this. So by the integral calculator, we can get this one equals to 1/2. And for this range, we'll do this way. And by the integral calculator, we'll get this one like this, right? So that's all for the fx. And by the clue, we will have the graph should be this one. Okay, so that's it for the fx. It's much easier to do the fy because we already have the limited part for the fy. Sorry, dx. So which is the y2 1/y and 2y squared x over 1 dx. So by the integral calculator, we'll get this one, which is turns out to be the graph like this. So this is it for the problem 3. We find the marginal density function for the fx and fy and draw it out for the graph. So how to test it? How to test the fx and fy are valid density functions? Same way as the problem question 2, we did that. The integral of the fx dx will equal to 1 to 0 with the 1/2 and infinity to 1 with the 2 x squared over 1 dx. Right? So by the integral calculator, it will equals to 1, which is valid. And for the fy, same way, we now we will have to do it in the range of the y, which is infinity to 1 with the y square and up with the ln y dy. And also by the integral calculator, we will have this one equals to y 1. So by the proof of both of them equals to 1, both of the integral of the density function equals to 1, we can get that they are both valid. So this is it for the problem 2 of the homework 5. Thank you.